Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix photo swipe not working on TikTok on an iPhone or Android set. So you have, first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. Photo swipe not working on TikTok. So first solution, you have uninstall and reinstall the TikTok. Another method to fix this problem of photo sweep does not work in the uninstall and reinstall the TikTok app. Doing this will give a fresh start to your app without any existing bugs or glitches in the app. Proceed with the steps given below in the order to attempt this method. So you have, while you have facing this issue, so you have delete from the app on your mobile phone, then you have reinstall from the app store the TikTok app. Then second solution, you have update the TikTok app. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. If you are using an older or outdated version of the TikTok app, then this can cause this photo swipe features not function because the old version may not extend its photo swipe features not to function because this old version support to the new version. So consider updating the TikTok app to at least version. So you have open the app store, search the TikTok app. TikTok app is available on update on your iPhone, so you must be installed on your iPhone update. Then third, upload TikTok app. If you are an iPhone user, then you can attempt this additional fix method in the order to solve this issue. A photo sweep does not work on TikTok. You need to upload the TikTok app simply. Here are steps that you need to follow. So you have open the setting. So you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage. So you have click on TikTok app, then you have click on offload. This will free up storage used the app but keep document data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the still available in the app store. Offload and reinstall from here. Then fourth solution, check your internet connection. Make sure check your internet connection that you are connected to. If the network is unstable or fluctuating, that consider switching to better network or Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. The last solution, you have disable VPN extension. If by any chance you have VPN connection on your device, make sure that you or disable it. Open the setting. So you have click on general. So scroll up. Then you have click on VPN and device manage. Disconnect from here. So then you have must be disconnected. VPN extension can infrared the network follow of the app and then your device. Doing this will remove all the baggage that the TikTok app is passing while functions. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.